First, prepare the H7 LED bulbs you purchased. A set of bulbs includes these accessories in the video. Step 2. Remove the center ring of the lamp body. Be careful not to touch the light-emitting chip and fan of the bulb with your hands. Step 3. Remove the original halogen bulb of the car. Step 4. Install and fix the center ring, and install the bulb. And rotate it until the LED substrate is vertical to the ground. Step 5. Connect the power supply and return it to its original position. Be careful not to wrap the wires around the lamp body to affect heat dissipation. Step 6. Start and check whether the bulb is working properly. After installation, if you want to get a more ideal beam effect, please adjust it according to the following steps. First, adjust the position before adjusting the light. Park the car 7 meters away from the wall. Measure the height standard of the low beam headlight. The headlight of the car is about 70 centimeters from the ground. Step 2. Rotate the lamp body to make the tangent horizontal, and rotate the bulb to get a better beam pattern. Adjust to the left side horizontally and the right side upward. The third step is to adjust the tangent height. Adjust the height adjustment screw of the headlight assembly, or adjust the interior light height adjuster. It is recommended that the left tangent height be about 65 centimeters from the ground. Now let's take a look at the before and after comparison. Halogen lamp versus LED bulb. After the final adjustment, you will get the ideal LED beam.